With barbecue, the sights and sounds, it's the stillness in the night. I've switched up my cooking schedule where I'm getting there at 2 or 3 in the morning and I'm done by like 4, 5, or 6 at night. But then just falling in love with the sound of the fire, the crackling of the wood that's burning, the smell of the smoke, the meat when you're opening those chamber doors, but the stillness of the night, just how calm things can be. And it almost feels like a reset for your day because at that point the world is kind of asleep and you're the only one awake. My name is Michael Flores. I'm co-owner, pitmaster, and social media manager here at Jiménez y Friends Barbecue y Taqueria here in Lubbock, Texas. I graduated Texas Tech in 2019 with a RIM degree, so that's Restaurant, Hotel, and Institutional Management. Being the curious person I am, I'm always asking why, I'm always asking how. I knew in my family nobody knew how to do it properly, and I don't mean like they couldn't go to their backyard and smoke a brisket or do ribs, but they just didn't know how to do it on a large volume, on a large scale. I applied at the Shack over there in North Frankfort, and they gave me a job as a meat cutter, so I learned how to cut meat over there, and then they asked if I wanted to start cooking, so I was cooking 40 hours overnight and then taking 19 hours during the day. I learned through just a restaurant, just by wanting to be better. I come from a family that knows food. My mom's guisados, those come from her grandmother. We have been just spoiled our whole lives because that's all we just really grew up really eating. Jose Relat, he came down, did his evaluation on us. We didn't realize that he was also doing an evaluation over the top 50 taco list here in the state of Texas for Texas Monthly. We got a beautiful article over it. We get the email, we see the news, we see the magazine being dropped, and I just see congratulations after congratulations, and I'm like, what is going on? So me and my brother, we're texting each other, and we see what happens, and then we're like, oh crap, this is gonna be big. So it was kind of blindsided, but in the best way possible. That week, we got killed. We went through so many Three Amigos from Wednesday through Sunday, so it was a fun time. This is the one thing nobody wants to do, dishes at 3 a.m. Barbecue, it means everything to me because this is everything that we're pouring our lives into. My mom, she got a restart at this. She was retired for 20 years, and then my mom and brother found this location. He got a second chance at life with this as well because he was working a corporate job, and now he's back with his family and doing things with his hands, and he's in love with it. It's his pride and joy as well. And I have my family around me. I still get to learn from my mother, my brother, my girlfriend's involved with this, my nephews, my father, and then all our friends. It's why you come in through the door and call everybody either fool or homie, and it's true because we're friends at the end of the day. Like, this is our community, and we're 5 hours away from everything. This is my bread and butter, and I'm gonna love it every single day. Throw in a little extra in there. You have to feel it just because that's what the customer is going to be tasting, and if you could taste that final thing, then you know they're going to be tasting that as well. This is what we're pouring our heart and soul into, and that's the beauty of food. It's going to bring people to your table, and it's a common language. It doesn't matter who you are, you're always welcome at that table. You feel the soul, you feel the heart. That's what you're going to feel every time you take a bite of our food. It's just how much we care. Food is life. Food is for the community. My name is Michael Flores, and from here, it's possible.